Tony, was there a particular model or template that you adopted when designing the changes at Yarra Valley Water?
Yes, we've adopted a lot of models. We've adopted, there's models that we've used to help our understanding, you know, things like the human synergistics model. We've used life cycle assessment for the environment and the human synergistics model I talked about before. And they've all been very useful for us to work out where we're at and where we need to get to. But in terms of making that transition, we've also used the Cotter model as well. More recently, the Cotter model has been very useful for us. One of the things that we're doing at the moment is turning over all of our IT systems. Now, that's important because it's not just actually IT, it's all of our business processes, and the IT just becomes the enabler. And in changing our processes, making them more customer friendly, etc., making them more cost effective, you know, it does mean quite dramatic changes in the work processes which affect individuals. So we've put a lot of time and effort into building our capabilities in change management. It started when we put our new billing system in, which for utilities are generally agonising, and ours was pretty agonising, but we got a good result in the end. And one of the reasons we did is because as part of the implementation of the billing system, we brought in a professional change management team. And they helped us through the implementation of the billing system. But in the process, we took the opportunity to learn from them. And then we've made one of our own HR employees the change manager in Yarra Valley Water now. And so that person is responsible for creating the Yarra Valley Water change model, and then for coaching line managers in the implementation of that change management model. And we've taken a very strong stand on this, that it is the line manager's responsibility to manage change. It's not, a third party. It's not the HR group. It is the line manager. But the line manager gets a lot of assistance and support from the organisation to help them implement the change. And we're getting better and better at it. It's getting to the stage now where it's just becoming part of the routine. For instance, we've just put on an extension to the building, and we've moved a whole floor from an old part into the new part, and we used our change management model to facilitate that change. And as you'd expect, moving to a new building, nothing's perfect, everything's not perfect, but it could have been 10 times worse had we not walked the staff through a process to enable them to move from the old to the new, because in moving from the old to the new, we had to also change the way they work. They've got different style of accommodation, different storage, ways they store information, etc. So, we are becoming quite skilled at change management, and it's we see it as a very important part of our skill set now.
Okay, thank you.